She came today in front of a mental hospital that was hospitalized 20 years ago. After she was discharged, she formed a noise band with the inpatients she met at the hospital. The name of the band is Airpool Junks. Later, it will be renamed to AssHoleGrindMother. AssHoleGrindMother, a Japanese noise band formed at a mental hospital. After that, the band members changed except for the vocalist, but all but one were mentally ill. Currently a duo noise band. She is a vocalist. Concerts are held around Tokyo about 3 times a month. However, AssHoleGrindMother is not very popular. Here's a performance video of AssHoleGrindMother. Currently, AssHoleGrindMother is making her first album. You can also buy it on Amazon. Please wait for a while until the sale.